Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. The other day I did a video on almost the exact same horses around a ring, and somebody asked why I nudged this inner ring out of the way. Well, let's see what happens if we do not nudge it out of the way. We go up to weld the horses to it, and it's going to take out that inner ring. Then if you smart filled it, you're going to get a solid ring like that. So that's why I nudged the ring out of the way. I'm going to take the ring and I'm going to nudge it out of the way, and then I can weld this and weld it and then put that ring back, and I'm just nudging with my arrow keys. And then if we take the smart fill tool, we get what we were hoping for. Now, you do not have to nudge it out of the way, but if we select everything, there are 24 horses and 2 rings, so there's 26 items. I'm going to hold down the shift key and select that inner ring, and now I've only got 25 items, and then I can weld it. So you do not have to move it out of the way, but I just find it a lot easier to do so. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.